Hi everybody, Jacques here for Inkish, and yeah, you find me here on the GUK stand. Yeah, we'll ask a bit about what they do, but it's about yeah, some magic trickery in the folding space. And I'm talking to Yury, by the way. Hi Yury.
Hi, Jacques.
Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for talking to us. Yes, as I was saying, GUK, yeah, you have trickery up your sleeve because you're one of the few that can handle thin papers and make huge booklets out of them, especially for the pharmaceutical sector. So tell us a little bit about it. But maybe first, what GUK, where does it come from? What does it stand for?
GUK is, it means Grieser und Kunstmann. It's a company from the Black Forest, Schwarzwald. This is how we call it in Germany. And we are a mid-range company, founded about 70 years ago. So we have quite of experience and a long history. And yeah, today we are presenting in line folding a very thin paper, as you said before. So you can have sometimes up to 500 pages folded, and like a small Harry Potter, which you are carrying with you.
Right. Well, I was intrigued because we were talking a bit before. A lot of the, yeah, let's say the manufacturers that are working for the pharmaceutical industry, they have most of the time offset machines, so they are produced in sheet fed offset, like we see behind you, but also like rolls is more coming into the game basically. So, and where do you see, let's say, the digital print coming into your products?
Yeah, we have quite a lot of connections also to Hunkeler system, for example, absolutely, where we use the unwinder and the cutter system, which are directly connected in line with our folding machine. So this is a part of the digital printing in this case, where we are connected, absolutely.
So what about the speeds? Because if I see some of the speeds that come off those machines, are you able to follow at the same rate? Because it's a very technical product that you're folding.
Talking honestly, we have to be careful with the speed because we are working with such a thin paper. Absolutely agree with you. We have to be careful here, but still we can follow the speed. We have a good speed. Depends on the product, on the folding, what you have at the end. But yes, this is the difficult part.
Yeah, I can imagine. I was also curious about those thin papers. In a formal life, I've been a book printer. We had really thin papers as well, but we were around something like the 50 grams. So you go down to what paper grams?
Up to 32. Normal it's 35, 40 GSM. This is the basic standard in this pharmacy area. This is what we use normally, like 37, 40 GSM.
Well, that maybe bring us a bit up to speed, or share a bit about the secrets of the trade. How the hell do you are able to fold such a number of pages in such a small booklet? What technology are you using?
We have, first of all, the manufacturing is running in Germany, like 100%. We are made in Germany. And I think to fold such a thin paper and to reproduce it all the time, you need a high quality manufacturing assembling line. So we have really high quality machines. But we also use newest technology like the water scoring, for example.
The water scoring,
yes.
Right.
And
water and thin paper usually don't go well together, but
yeah, we are breaking the grains of the grain of the paper. This is what's happening to fold it easier at the water scoring point.
So you kind of soften it up to be able to fold multiple times.
Absolutely, and you will see a huge difference if you take the product without water scoring and one with water scoring. It's really different.
Right. So, and if you have, for example, I see some other machinery here as well that you're incorporating robotics also into your systems. What's that for?
That's our latest development. We have a robotic system collecting the leaflets, outserts, for example, and putting it into the so-called trays. So fully automatically, and this is our really latest development, what we are presenting here, which saves, of course, the time and the difficult work of the pupil of a human who is at the end doing it by hands. Now we have a robotic technology.
Right, and as you say, as speeds go up, and I mean, obviously the output has to be as automated as possible. One last question for you, Yury. I know you have a lot on your hands here. A lot of people want to talk to you. but you're in a niche market. So how do you see, for example, let's say we talked at the beginning that there's still a lot of offset printers. How do you see the shift coming about to the digital machinery in your markets?
Definitely, we see it more and more. It's coming. It's getting more and more stronger. Also, looking at the installation on the customer side, so they really start to print the pharmacy leaflets, outserts on a digital printing, achieving the good quality. This was a big topic also, because in the pharmacy you should be very precise, not only in the folding but also in the printing. So there are a lot of standards you have to achieve. And we see more and more requests and installations. So there is definitely a development in this area. And we are trying to connect more and more to this digital printing level.
Perfect. Well, Yury, thank you for the insights. And I mean, I guess you need about 70 years of experience to be able to fold such a product. So it's great to see you here also at the Hunkeler Innovation Days. Thank you and see you in the next one.